Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Versa taillight. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Next, open your vehicle's trunk and find the small access panel or trim piece that covers the back of the tail light assembly. Gently remove this panel to expose the wiring. Finally, locate the electrical connector attached to the tail light and carefully disconnect it by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. This prepares the assembly for removal. Now that the electrical connector is off, it's time to remove the tail light assembly itself. You will typically find 2 or 3 Phillips head screws securing it to the vehicle's body. Carefully unscrew these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the car. Be careful not to force it. Then, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing and simply pull the old bulb straight out. It's usually a simple friction fit. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the fresh tail light bulb into the empty socket. Make sure it's seated firmly and doesn't feel loose. Once the bulb is in, reinsert the entire bulb socket back into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Before putting everything back together, it's a good idea to test the new bulb. Turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm it illuminates properly. Now for the final steps. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting holes on the vehicle's body and gently push it back into position. Reinstall the 2 or 3 Phillips head screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear a satisfying click when it's fully engaged. Finally, close your trunk and perform a quick check to ensure all your tail lights are working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.